welcome to California, USA. Today is Laba Day. At tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maglaba. Dahil ang tunay na lalaki, daan, marunong maglaba. Let's go and check it out.
Okay guys, first up you will buy a detergent. Secondly, you will put the detergent to the washer. After that, you will put your clothes and some pen. After that, say hi to the people you will see. After the spinning, you will put to the dryer. Put some penny and set your dryer to the highest mode. And that's it. It's all done.
Hello guys, so ayan, tapos na ang aking paglalaba. Kita nyo naman, lang kadali, konting kembot lang, tapos na. Okay, sige na ako.
Your eyes and watch me.